Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where coding is easy and bugs disappear faster than my web weekend plan. Today we are solving a remove element lead code problem. So now the problem looks so simple, but trust me, it's really super useful in a place area. Technique you use in a coding interviews and a DSA question. So the problem is so what is the problem? We are given an array and a value called val. Our task is to remove all occurrence of that value from the array and return how many value elements are left. And the important thing is we must do this without using extra space. So let's take an example first, then we have to code. So you can see this is an example first. There is a nums equals to 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. So there is a value is a 3. Output is 2 because of the nums value equals to 2 comma 2. Because there is a value is 3, we have to remove a 3 into the in this array. So we have to output is 2 comma 2. So you can your function should return a key equals to 2 with the first two elements of a nums begin 2. It does not matter what you leave beyond the return key. Hence, there are understood. So the question is simple. Let's try to code, and then we have to try run it. There is int k equals to 0, and we have to use for loop. In for loop, in I equals to 0, comma I less than nums dot size, then I plus plus. That's the condition, and we use the if condition in for loop. Then in if condition nums s of nums I is not equals to value. So what is the rule? Nums of k equals to nums of I. Then k plus plus. Then we return k. So that's all. Code solution we check. So both cases are accepted. So first case is 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. You can see there is a value is 3. So output is 2 comma 2 because the 3 we have to remove it. And in case 2, you can see there is a too many numbers elements like a 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 4, 2, etc. So we have to value equals to 2. So we have to remove a 2 into this array. So the output is 0, 1, 1, 3, 0, 4. So now let's logic first. Understand first logic. We use the variable called k. K tells us where to place a value element inside the array. Then we loop throughout the array one by one. If current element is not equals to value, we keep it the place it and at the index k. Then increases k. Now if elements equals to val, skip it like annoying gets and YouTube. Now let's try run the code. There is a example. What is it? There is example. First we have to try run case 1. Okay, so the case 1 is nums 3 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. The value is 3. Initially k equals to 0 and I equals to 0 also. So nums I equals to 3. 3 equals to well, no, so skip it. And k still 0 and I equals to 1. So nums I equals to 2. 2 is not equals to value, right? So place 2 at a nums k, nums 0 equals to 2. And increases k, increases by 1. The array becomes 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. And second I equals to 2. So nums I equals to 2. Again valid. Place it at a nums k, nums 1 equals to 2. So increase k by 2 and array becomes 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Then we have to put I equals to 3. So nums I equals to 3. So equals value, no. So skip it and loop finish. Now first k elements are valid 2 comma 2. So our final answer is 2. In this question our time complexity is OL because we scan the array only once and space complexity is O(n). O1 because we are not using the extra. So if you had this video, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.